wanna thank you for all the compliments talaga. Maraming salamat talaga po. Para sa akin po, ang ginagawa ko lang po gabi-gabi dito, lahat ng bawat performance, gusto ko lang kumanta. Simple lang, ganun lang. At para po sa lahat.
Alright?
Yun lang.
There you
Salamat po talaga. Salamat.
Eto na, kung gusto mo pang kumanta next week, it's all about the voters. It's all about you guys.
Pakantayin niyo po ako
Kung
next
gusto
week.
niyo makita si Gian, gusto niyo pa siyang pakantahin, text Gian at G-I-A-N and send it to 2339 using Smart and other networks. At kung PLDT landline ang inyong gagamitin, eto lang po ang inyong tatawagan. 1908-5-IDOL-09. It's 1908-5-IDOL-09. But as always, you do that at the end of the show when we give you the go signal. Hintayin po ninyo kami magbigay ng go signal para po hindi masayang ang inyong boto para kay Gian. Gian, thank you very much.
Salamat.
Alright. More hits, more music from Dre and Pau when Philippine Idol returns. You guys are still watching Philippine Idol and you're witnessing the first battle of our final 12. Up next, ang finalist natin wants to dedicate this song to a special woman in his life. Naintriga ba kayo? Hayaan niyong siya na ang magsabi ng kanyang kwento. Ito, si Dre Ibanez.
Yung aawitin ko ay Hang On. Ito yung kinanta ni Gary V. And dinededicate ko to kay Kite Lopez, isa sa closest friends ko. Yung journey ko rito sa Philippine Idol, siya yung kumbaga behind the scene na tumutulong sa akin, nag-hone sa skills ko. Isa siyang single mom. So it's very fitting na for her yung line na Hang On.
Sometimes it's hard to know when it's all over. Sometimes it hurts so bad. Just that we didn't feel much for each other, yet lost what we might have. I love you, I always think of you. Please listen to the words I say, these words that I've been telling you. Just hang on, who knows, we might get there. After all the waiting time, we'll be the ones to find out if we hang on. You know we're on our way. So just hang on. If we hang on, who knows we're on our way. After all the waiting time, we'll be the ones to find out if we hang on. You know we're on our way. So just hang on. Hang on.
Dre Ibanez dedicating that song to his friend Kite. Alright. Pare, kwento mo nga kami nung ginagawa nyo Kite. I know you guys work together in your foundation. Tell us a little something about that.
Well, from time to time, because I'm also into events, so she introduces me to some friends and she helps me with fundraising. So, yeah.
Alright. Andito ba si Kite ngayon?
Yeah, there she is.
Alright, where's Kite? Raise your hand, man. Oh, right there.
Yeah,
Alright.
somewhere there.
Kite, alam ko ikaw ang nagbibigay ng advice kay Dre sa pagkanta. Approve ba sa'yo yun? Approve ba? Alright, eto na. Tignan natin. FM, what do you think about Dre?
Alam mo, sangiti pa lang ni Dre. Philippine Idol na dati. Pero nakita ko na siya kumanta ng mabilis. Ngayon naman, kumanta ng mabagal. Maganda ang pagkakaawit niya. Ang natutuwa ko dahil para sa akin, no, si Dre talagang may pag-asa. Potential Philippine Idol ito.
Alright, maraming salamat FM. Mamita.
Si Toby.
Toby.
Tawag na.
Toby Maguire.
Spider-Man.
Spider-Man daw.
Actually,
Hindi Toby Alihar, ha?
Si Dre,
Okay, nililinaw ka lang,
si Dre
mamita.
naman has always given a good performance from the beginning, no? Ngayong gabi, para sa akin, may konting kulang.
Okay.
Hindi ko alam kung ang kanta o because ang performance niya maganda, pero
Nakulangan ka, mamita.
medyo ako nakulangan. Okay lang sa'yo,
Can we
Dre?
at least identify anong area saan nagkulang siguro?
I guess sa kanta mismo.
Okay.
I don't know, maybe the song talagang may meaning sa kanya. Pero since nakita ko na siya talaga performing, so para sa akin, kulang lang. You performed well and everything. Depende na lang sa lahat ng magboboto sa'yo.
Alright. Thank you very much, mamita. Mr. C, you look very serious there.
Dre, I like your performance before, much better than tonight. I do not understand why after working with all your wards, your children, and knowing their stories, etc., it did not come out in this kind of song which needs a lot of yung pathos. It needs that hang on. It's nagmamakawa ka, hang on, no? Wala eh. It didn't. Wala. Sorry.
Nakulangan ka rin, Mr.
Kulang,
C.
kulang siya.
Alright, Mr. C, thank you very much. Judges, thank you very much. Dre, okay, on the positive side, sabi ni FM, ngiti pa lang, idol na eh. Pero ito yon, dalawa sa kanila nakulangan sa performance. What do you think? Yung kulang, I mean, yung self-assessment mo.
I have to agree with Mr. C. However, I think it's more of, I'm very particular right now with the technicality with my voice because I lost my voice a couple of days ago. So I think it's a little bit of distraction.
Okay.
Yeah, medyo na-distract ako with that.
Okay.
But I felt that nabawi ko naman towards the end, and I hope that a viewer saw that and they were able to see that, you know,
Alright.
emotion.
Okay, eto yun, nakulangan sila sa emosyon, pero yung mga voters ang importante, makuha mo yung emosyon. So, if you guys want to see Dre next week, this is what you have to do. Text Dre, that's D-R-A-E, and send it to 2339 using Smart and other networks. Kung PLDT landline naman ang gagamitin nyo, tawagan nyo lang 1908-5-IDLE-10. That's 1908-5-IDLE-10 for Dre. But as always, you do that when we give you the go signal at the end of the show. Put your phones down, guys. Mamaya pa po. When we give you the go signal, that's the only time your votes will be officially counted for Dre. Ayaw po namin masayang ang inyong mga boto. Dre, maraming salamat. Sa kanyang nanay naman, excuse me. Sa kanyang nanay naman, idinededicate ng ating next finalist ang kanyang awitin. Matatamis na alaala ang laman ng puso sa special dedication na ito ni Pao Chavez.
Kung kakantahin ko ay Nakapagtataka, na-revive ni Rachel Alejandro. And yung song na yun, inaalay ko para sa mami ko. Reminds me really of my childhood. Nung time na yun kasi uso yung Nakapagtataka. Tapos nakita ko yung tape niya na Haji Alejandro version. Kahit iba yung version, pinipilit kong kantahin ng bagong version. Hindi naman ako magiging ganun kakulit kung hindi ko nakikita yung mami ko na kanta ng kanta. Siya talaga yung nag-influence sa akin na kumanta talaga.
Walang tigil ang gulo sa aking pag-iisip mula nang tayo'y magpasyal, maghiwalay. Nagpaalam pagkat hindi tayo bagay. Nakapagtataka, saan na napunta